They come home, he sits on the bed. Today I'm feeling so tired. Jimin also take off leave. Oh my, I remember about Jimin. Oh my, he opened his school bag and checked the diary. Jimin never told me he have diary. He writes something or not. Okay, so I'm his best friend. It's my right to read his diary. So I will read. He lay on the bed and opened the diary. He read the title. David, what of the life he has? He never told me. I don't talk with him. He opened the next page. So if so, it's the season of spring, huh? Spring season. Spring, my favorite season. You know why I love spring so much? Because I realize I fell for him when I see him playing under the tree. He's looking so beautiful, or maybe looking like an angel. Whenever I see him, I just thought one thing: is he become my or not? But I know fell for him. I am seeing him from far. I am scared if I lose him. I can't lose him. He is my everything. I start from him and now finish on him. And he fell harder. But who is his? I want to meet him. He must be write his name somewhere. I read further. Okay, so today I thought to him, but guess what? He is someone else. Tears mark on the page. It shows how much he is sad. What he didn't get is it's none other than my best friend Jungi Young. To read Jungi name is eyes wide and he can't believe he started reminding how Jimin used to say him he has on Jungi. If it's mean he didn't do all this to tease me, he really Jungi so much and on the day he see the tear marks on the whole diary. Trey closed the book. He can't believe on it. Young and you don't tell me till Jimin come in the classroom. He's so tense. For his diary is lost. He about to enter in the classroom, but he treats Yoongi. Jimin, I'm sorry, Yoongi. It's alright. I come to meet Tae. Tae is on his usual seat, but he is looking tense today. Yoongi went to him and sat in front of him. Yoongi, what happened? Tae, are you okay now? Your best friend is also come to. Yeah, I am totally fine. Tell me how is your exam preparations is going. Yoongi, it's good. Jay, would you like to come in park with me? Jay, yeah, sure, why not? Yoongi, so okay, meet me after school. Jay nodded and she go. Jimin come and sit beside Jay. He's so silent, thinking about his diet. Jay thinking about this. He said while placing the diet in front of him. Ago. Also, I forget him scene. I know. Jimin, don't think I snatch him from you. Jimin, no way. I will never. You are my best friend. Jimin, and you are my best buddy. Jimin aside, hug him. Okay, so now let's start the lecture and they start to take the lecture. Tomorrow you come or not? Jimin, mom said we have to go somewhere or so maybe I don't come. But why this is wrong, Jimin? Jimin, this is good for you. You spend your time with Yoongi. Don't you feel when you take my name with him? Jimin, why would I feel? I'm so happy for you. Trust me, Jimin. Jimin, forget what you read last night. I already thought you through this diary, so don't take any stress. Okay, Nor Yoongi, come. Te, uh, yeah, Yoongi, Jimin, if you want, you also come. Jimin, you are here. Jimin, you are here. Turn. He see Jimin. Jimin stand in front of him. Jimin, sorry. He completed sentence, but he fell a heart on his cheeks. He look at you. He can't process what happened. Why you did this, Jimin? Why, Jimin? Don't take my name, Jimin. You are no one to me now, Jimin. What happened? At least tell me if it's prank. Then stop it. I don't like prank. You are the one who do prank with me. You make me and I believe you. Wow, Jimin, tell me what happened. They throw out in front of him. Jimin see his eyes widen and tears are stop his from tears are not stop his way from his eyes. There is a picture of Jimin is widen. Jimin, what the wow, now you are pretending you did nothing. You tell me simply, Jimin, I leave him. But why you are doing this? Never show me your Andrea Jimin break. Jimin Yoongi, you thought after all this, Jay, leave me, you get me, but no, in your dreams. Jay is sincere with me and I am with him. Jimin, I never thought to do this. Jay, still speaking, Jimin. Jimin went to him. Jimin, he is shocked. Jimin, maybe this is the last time I am doing this. Hope so you will forgive me for the I didn't do. He begged Jimin, but always be happy in your life. I don't come again and disturb you. But remember one thing, Kim Tae-young and Mr. Min Yoongi. Jimin opened his eyes in morning and he sit on the bed. He remember his past. Jimin, is it's really all because of me? He about to get up. A Yoongi come out from the bathroom. Jimin looking down. He didn't look at him. He don't have a courage. Yoongi, you thought you deserve to sleep on the bed. Jimin looked at him. Yoongi, from now you sleep here, he said while pointing on the Jimin. What is my fault, Yoongi? What I did, Yoongi? Your fault is you choose me. Even 12 years ago, you didn't believe me. Even don't give me a chance to explain my side. And today, now you are saying, I said to your dad, Jungi, what chance, huh? You try to speak us, now be, you try to separate us, now be happy. We are already separate now. Jimin, why I become happy, Hyung? I leave you both alone and go out, Jungi. You know what? You don't come in front of me. Whenever you come, I feel like Jimin come in the kitchen. He say Mrs. Min. He is so nervous. He went to her. Mrs. Min smiled to say, Mrs. Min, good morning, my son. Jimin, good morning, Mrs. Min. Go and sit. Breakfast is almost ready. Jimin, why you call me, I make for you. Mrs. Min speak, but they heard a voice. Miss Yoongi, we don't want to so soon. Everyone know you don't know any work. He said, Jimin feeling bad. Mrs. Min, Yoongi, what are you saying? Jimin, it's nothing like that. I know cooking. Mrs. Min, leave him. Jimin, now go and sit on the dining table. Yoongi, okay, then I am going. Mrs. Min, Yoongi, what is all this, huh? Yoongi, what you said him, I do. Now don't expect any further from me. Why I am wasting my time here. He pick his car keys and go. Mrs. Min, Jimin, don't take him serious. He's just nothing else. Jimin, it's okay, auntie. You don't worry. Mrs. Min, you go and sit. Tay is talking on the phone. Tay, I can't come here. Please try to understand what happened, huh? Tay, you are coming and with your it's final. Tay, see Hyung, first of all, how can I skip my office for 15 days? And second, I don't know Jungkook is free or not. Listen, Taeyang, I am your Hyung, right? You have to come. If you don't come, I swear I never talk with you. Tay, Jin Hyung, I said now I come on a day. Why I come 1 week ago? Jin, everyone is coming and Namjoon arranged so many things. Now don't waste his effort and come on the time. Tay, you are not going to listen me, Jin. No. Tay, okay, then I will tell you after talking with Jungkook. Jin, okay, I'm waiting for your answer. And I don't hear no understand. Tay, bye, Jin. Yeah, you. Tay cut the call. He sit on the bed. Jungkook entered in the room with the bouquet of flowers. Tay smiled. JK, this is for you. Tay, thank you. He smelled the flower. JK, so what's up? He is going to after 16 days, so they arrange a grand in the hotel. So Young want I also come, should we go there? It's 15 days trip. JK, you want to go? If you said no, then I will not. JK, I ask from you, you want to go? Jin Young is so close to me, not because of Yoongi. We personally have good bond, so yes, I want to go. JK, so we go. I think he talked with your aunt, my dad also. They will come on there. JK. When we have to go to tomorrow, JK. Okay, okay, we go. Really, thank you so much, JK. Why? Thanks. You always listen me. You never said no to me, JK. How can I do that? Whenever I see your puppy eyes, I forget everything. Giggle, JK, smile. JK, so you pack your things. Listen, JK. To Yoongi also there, so ignore him. It's night time. Jimin sits on the bed while hugging his knees. Yoongi enters in them. Jimin becomes scared to see him. He hurriedly stands up. Yoongi about to speak, but Mrs. Min enters in them. Mrs. Min, you come late today. Yoongi, Mrs. Min. Okay, I'm here to inform you, Yoongi. Your cousin Jin is going to. You both have to go there tomorrow. Me and your dad come on that. Yoongi, is it necessary to go, Mrs. Min? If you don't want to talk with Jin by yourself, Yoongi, no need. We will go there tomorrow. Now you go, Mrs. Min. I am going. I don't want to stay here. And she go. Yoongi look at Jimin who's standing there. Yoongi, go and pack your things and my also. Jimin in mind. How can I pack his things? I don't know what she wear or what not. Yoongi, what are you thinking now? Go or else you know how or you don't know how to do packing. Jimin, I know. Yoongi, go and do then. Jimin nodded and he started doing his packing. Yoongi packing. Jimin tried to ignore, but it's ringing continuously. He became irritated and go to see the caller ID. It's business number. He about to place the phone on the table again, but stop. When he see the wallpaper, tears roll from his eyes to see the picture of Trey on his wallpaper. He wiped his tears and placed the phone on the table and again sit on the couch. Yoongi come out. He see Jimin. Yoongi, you have a problem to cry. Jimin, you have picture of Trey in your wallpaper. Yoongi, of course I have. You have any problem? Wait, you check my phone. Jimin eyes widen. His sign as no. Yoongi, then how you know? He went to him. Jimin, no, I don't. Your phone is ring. He speak further, but she feel up. Yoongi dared to touch my phone again, and here Jimin realized Yoongi didn't change even an inch. He become more and heartless. Yoongi hold his phone and go out. Jimin bent down and start. Tae and Cook come. They both are busy with each other, and then Yoongi and Jimin come. Jimin put makeup on his cheeks because and Yoongi don't care about it. Jiki, excuse me, receptionist. Yes, sir. Jiki, can you tell me which area is booked by Kim Namjoon? Receptionist, you are Mr. Jiki Jin Jungkook. Receptionist, oh, welcome, Mr. Kim said, when you come, I call them downstairs. Give me few minutes, please. Jiki, yeah, sure, take your time. Jiki, come. They both stand oppositely. Cookie, he stopped when his eyes fell on Jungi. They both look into each other's eyes. JK, yes, what happened? Tae look at Jungkook. JK eyes fell on Jungi. JK, what happened? Tae up, see the pendant is broke. He said with the part. JK, oh, don't make a part. I will buy a new one for you. Tae, no, I want this. Jin, oh my cutie JK, hello, I am Jin Jungkook. Jin, hello, I am Kim Seok. Jin, thank you so much for coming, JK. It's great pleasure for me to come here. RM, thank you so much, guys, for coming. He meets with J and JK, and then Yoongi, his best friend. Jin also meet with Yoongi, and who is the silent here is Jimin. He stand there silently because Yoongi said him don't speak, and he don't want again, so he thought to stay silent. They all are their rooms and Tae come out. Jungkook is taking shower. He's trying to fix his pendant. JK said he buy new for him, but our baby Tete wants his pendant. May I help you? Tae heard a voice. He get flinch. Yoongi, you are here. Yoongi, I am here to talk with you. Tae, but I don't want to talk with you. Yoongi, why? Tae, suddenly what happened? At least listen me. He about to hold his hand, but someone else come and hold Tae hand. He's none other than Jungkook. JK, I don't like when someone try to talk with my Yoongi. You don't speak, JK. He don't talk with you. I know you won't answer. Right? Go and ask from your family, not from him. Jimin also come out to hear their voices. The eyes fell on Jimin. He don't know why he's feeling attraction. Jimin stand beside Yoongi. JK, oh hello Jimin, you are here. Jimin look at Yoongi, who is staying here with his. How they both Jimin, me and Jungkook cut off by Tae. Jimin look at Tae and then the pendant in his hand. He know Tae is also here, but he don't know he is Kim Taeyang, his best friend. Every memory start to flash in his mind, and guess what? Tae realizes mistake. Tae, Jimin, it's you. Jimin hide behind Yoongi. Uh, but she realized what he is doing. Hiding behind Yoongi. On that time, the biggest role is played by Yoongi. Yoongi holds Jimin hand, tears start rolling from his eyes. Still, listen me, Jimin. He takes a step toward Jimin, but Jimin hides himself. He starts crying, tears roll from his eyes to see Jimin. He is feeling scared from him. Jimin frees his hand from Yoongi also. Yoongi, everything is finished, right? So you no need to talk with my. He's my. Yoongi, yes. Please let me talk with him. Yoongi, go inside. He said to Jimin, who didn't waste time. Is he to what she is to you? Tay is my everything. Cookie is everything. JK, tell me everything exactly. Tell him everything while crying. What you do with him in high school, and now they both are best friends. How they separate each and everything. Jimin come in his room. Jimin, why they all are coming back? Why my past again come? He's crying. Yoongi come in the room. He sees crying. He's feeling bad. He don't know why. He went to him and bent down. Jimin is not in his control. So actually, it's also true. Jimin is. Just because of his past, Jimin is looking like a, and Yoongi becomes scared. Yoongi, Jimin, open your eyes, open eyes, please, Jimin. But she didn't. Yoongi lay him on the bed and about to call someone, but Jimin phone start ringing. He see the caller ID. He looked at Jimin and attended the call. Hey Jimin, how are you? How's your life going? Forget me, huh? How can you forget your younger brother? Yoongi, who are you? Wait. Who are you? This is Jimin phone, right? Where is he? Yoongi, he become wait, what is he? Cry Yoongi, yeah, oh no, he again get Yoongi, so I called doctor. No need. He will be fine by himself. He is used to now. Yoongi means I don't know anything, but he will get when he think about his past. Yeah, Yoongi, I will talk to you later. And here he cut the call. Yoongi passed. Yoongi, don't disturb him. He opened the bag, but mistakenly he opened Jimin bag. He see a diary, so Jimin still have diary. Yoongi read the diary. He see the tear marks, each and everything, and then he looked at Jimin. He went to him and sit in front of him. Yoongi, that much? He see the tear marks on the pages and Jimin sleepy figure. He's so confused. He don't know why he's feeling bad. He is in his thought. Jimin open his eyes. His eyes meet with Yoongi one. Jimin sits on the bed. He wipe his tears and stand up. Jimin, I'm sorry. I don't know when I lay on the bed. You go to the bathroom. Jimin nodded. He's trying to calm himself. He closed his eyes. He opened his bag and take a deep breath, and finally he get calm. Yoongi just see everything. The room door knock. Yoongi open the door and see Jungkook stand there. JK, I want to talk with you both, Yoongi, but I don't. JK, look, I'm also not interested. It's just I want because of Tay. Yoongi look at Jimin and his condition. Yoongi, sorry Mr. Jan, but is not well. JK, you know what? It's all because of you. Because of you, here everyone is bearing all this. He said and go. Yoongi turned. He looked at Jimin, who is fine now. Jimin is arranging his clothes in the almirah. He want to ask why he is taking all the and what is with the everything, but how can he ask? Who is he to him? Who is he? Why he is scared? He is the one who hurt him the most, and now why? Jungkook come in the room. He sit on the bed. He went to him. You talk with him. What he said, JK. I will talk with him soon. It's me. You don't talk with him, JK. Listen to. I don't let Jungkook to talk with you. How can he allow me to talk with Jimin? Looking down. I did wrong with him, Jungkook. JK, so wrong. And you know what? Even I meet him first time. I don't feel Jimin have that much past. They look at him with teary eyes. Tay, what I do now, JK? You can't do anything asking him for forgiveness. You know what? Tay, as you said about his diary, what is it's clearly see you and Yoongi have just attraction with each other, but Jimin him truly. He do take. I don't know what happened with me on that time, JK. Now you can't think what happened with you on that time. Now focus on present, JK. If I said forget everything and start new journey, you can't do. All are present in the dining room. Jin, so guys, meet. He's my friend Jehob and call him Hobby. And she is Vian. One, hey everyone, nice to meet you. Me too. He passed her a smile. Jin, so Mr. Min Young, want to introduce me with you? Young, oh sorry, Jin Young, he is Jimin, and Jimin is Jin Young, my cousin Jimin Park uncle's son, right? Jimin, you remember me? Jin Young, I thought you forget me. Jimin, it's really you? Oh my god. Jin, stand up. Jimin, also stand up. Jin, I miss you so much. Where were you go? Jimin, me too. I also miss you so much. I just go London. Jin, now you come back. I'm so happy the boss said they all start doing dinner. Jin, so Jimin, how is uncle and auntie? Jimin, I don't know. Jin means. Jimin, stop eating. He's looking down. Jimin, there, no. Yoongi and Chiang also shocked. He also don't know. Yoongi my his parents, and I thought he said to his parents for me. Jin, how you live in London? We all thought you live with your parents. Jimin, how I live? The answer is so difficult to give. I don't know how to explain. Jin, I'm feeling bad. Jimin, it's alright, Jin. Then how you get to Yoongi? Huh. Finally, the voiceover is finished. So hope you all like. If you like, then subscribe. So tell me in comments. Bye bye. Take care of yourselves and guess what you think what will happen next.